I'm Michael Andreoli. I live in Hudson, New Hampshire. I had both my shoulders totally replaced at Lawrence General Hospital by Dr. Pamela Jones. The pain started, I want to say, close to 30 years ago. I remember going to orthopedic surgeon for pain in my shoulders, and he actually told me that I feel bad for you, a young guy your age with such bad arthritis. It's hard to explain to people that don't have pain, they're not living in pain, what you're going through. Stuff people just take for granted. You know, when you're in the shower in the morning, washing your hair, couldn't do that. And it got to the point where I was actually asleep crying on the edge of the bed. My wife woke me up crying in my sleep, sobbing from the pain. And I finally decided it was the time. I couldn't put up with the pain anymore. We have the best hospitals in the world in Boston. I elected to go to Lawrence General with Dr. Jones. It's a brand new operating Santa center. It's all up to date. It's like the newest on the East Coast. You don't have to worry about anything. You go into the hospital and everybody's so nice and cheerful. It went like a breeze, really. There was constant contact between the nurses and the doctor's office to make sure everything was going good. And I really liked the way they handled the physical therapy, all the process they went through. And I did really good. And that surgery went so well. I elected to have the left one done too. And my quality of life is just unbelievable. It doesn't even seem like I even had arthritis. I never had the operation. It's like I never had a problem before. Now I can do basically what I want to now, where I was very limited in the past. I'm able to actually use a lot of my yard equipment to take care of my property. I heat my home with wood pellets, and during the season I carry them in, and that would be murder. Now, it's nothing. My wife and I were in bed watching TV, and I'm watching TV, and I realized I got my arms over my head, and I had never been able to do that in such a long time. What they did at Lawrence General was just like unbelievable, I'm telling you.